Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to turn on or off the black in-app voice and video calls when riding mode is on in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. So okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is go to setting in your Realme 5 mobile phone. And okay guys, here in settings, okay, scroll down and find the smart services. Okay, click this. And okay guys, here in smart services, okay, you can see the riding mode. Okay, go to riding mode. And okay guys, here in riding mode, you can see the riding mode is on. And okay guys, you only have to do is go to do not disturb riding. And okay guys, here in do not disturb riding, okay, in incoming calls, okay, you can see below the block in-app voice and video calls. And okay guys, okay, if this turn on, okay, when riding mode is on, voice and video calls from WeChat will be blocked. And okay guys, to turn off this, okay, you'll have to do is switch off the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, to switch on again, okay, you all have to do is switch on again the switch button on the right side. And okay guys, I decide to switch off. And okay guys, that's it. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.